Unity in religion. Francis Bacon discusses the importance of maintaining peace and unity in matters of faith. He warns against religious division, sects, and fanaticism, which he believes lead to social unrest and moral decay. Francis Bacon emphasizes tolerance, moderation, and understanding in religion rather than rigid dogmatism. 1. The value of unity. Francis Bacon compares unity in religion to the health of the body. Just as disease destroys the body, division destroys the church and society. He insists that religion should be a source of peace and love, not hatred or persecution. True unity strengthens both faith and civil harmony. 2. The dangers of division. Francis Bacon says religious Shiism, that is, splits within the church, weaken both religion and government. They cause wars, rebellions, and cruelty in the name of God. He criticizes those who use religion for political gain or personal pride, calling it hypocrisy. Such divisions, he argues, make religion appear hypocritical and corrupt in the eyes of non believers. 3. True unity versus false unity. True unity comes from charity, that is, love and understanding. False unity is forced by violence or intolerance. Francis Bacon says unity should not mean uniformity. People may differ in opinion but should remain united in core faith and moral purpose. 4. Use of religion by states. Francis Bacon observes that wise rulers use religion to promote morality and peace, not oppression. He condemns using religion as a tool of statecraft or manipulation. 5. Francis Bacon's ideal. Francis Bacon's ideal religion is one of moderation, peace, and brotherhood. He wants believers to avoid narrow minded zeal, emphasizing love and understanding over judgment.
Key quotes. The quarrels and divisions about religion were evils unknown to the heathen. Religion was not planted by contention, but by the dew of heaven. Nothing doth so much keep men out of the church, and drive men out of the church, as breach of unity.
Themes: religious tolerance, unity versus division, moral and civil order, the misuse of religion for power. Conclusion: Francis Bacon's of unity in religion is a call for tolerance and harmony. He believes true religion promotes peace, love, and moral strength, while division corrupts both faith and society. Francis Bacon's essay remains a timeless appeal for religious coexistence and moderation.